Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and today I'm gonna be sharing with you another very interesting recipe, and that is the recipe of flavored corn. Yes guys, I know almost all of us love corn and especially the American sweet corn. So today I'm here to share this recipe of flavored corn with you, and I would be sharing three flavors of American corn which you can very easily prepare at your home. And trust me you guys, kids love this recipe, so they are gonna really enjoy this one. And today we're going to be learning the recipes for the classic American corn recipe, the Italian American corn recipe, and finally the Maggi flavored American corn recipe. These are 5-minute very quick recipes that you can very easily prepare at home. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the recipes. So for all the three recipes we need to boil at least 1 cup of sweet corn. You can boil these sweet corn on gas or in microwave. I'm gonna be showing you how I do it in my microwave. You have to just fill 1 cup of water in the bowl with 1 cup of sweet corn, and then we're gonna put this inside a microwave, and then we're gonna heat it for about 5 minutes. You can easily boil these corn on gas flame as well. Once boiled, strain out all the excess water from it and be careful, it's very hot. Then add about 1 tablespoon of butter to this. Now add about half a teaspoon of black pepper to this. Then add salt as per your taste. And then again microwave this for 1 minute. You can also try doing these steps in a kadhai, but remember you do not have to roast the corn, and this should be just for 1 minute to 30 seconds. And finally give this a nice mix. And serve these corn while they are hot and enjoy yourself. Next, let's start with the Italian flavored American corn. For this, take 1 cup of boiled corn and add 1 tablespoon of butter to this. Now add salt as per your taste. Then top it with half teaspoon of black pepper. Then add about half teaspoon of Italian seasoning to this and microwave it for 30 seconds to 1 minute and give it a really nice mix. Serve them hot and enjoy your Italian flavored American corn. And for the final recipe of Maggi flavored American corn, take 1 cup of boiled corn and add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Top this with about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of Maggi magic masala and give it a slight mix. Then heat this in the oven for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and your Maggi flavored American corn are ready. Serve them while they are hot and enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, then please let me know in the comments down below. Do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.